Hey, amazing viewers. I am Farooq Zishan, a chartered accountant by day, an auditor by profession, and a passionate explorer by heart. Welcome to my world, where numbers meet adventure and spreadsheets take a backseat to stunning landscapes. Join me on this incredible journey as we explore the hidden gems of various destinations. From travel tips to immersive experiences, I'm here to be your guide. Whether it's unraveling the secrets of a city or trying out the best local cuisines, I've got you covered. And of course, what's the journey without a bird's eye view? Dive into the mesmerizing world of drone videography by me. Sometimes I like to sprinkle a bit of humor in the mix. Life's an adventure, right? So buckle up for laughter, breathtaking scenery, and a touch of storytelling. It's all about living the life to the fullest. If you're ready for a journey filled with knowledge, laughter, and wanderlust, hit that subscribe button. Let's make memories together.